This is gonna freeze your house. Put ice on the fan and you'll never use air conditioning again. That's right everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a simple way to make a powerful homemade air conditioning, using only 2 plastic bottles, 2 liters each and your fan. A great way to cool off without spending much on hot days. So you're gonna need 2 plastic bottles of 2 liters each. Cut the bottom part and then make several holes, leaving space near the mouth of the bottle. And these holes are gonna help the cold air to spread, cooling the environment when the fan blows. And if you're really suffering from the unbearable heat, listen carefully. Because I'm sure this is gonna help you a lot. Because this made a huge difference here at home. And this is how the bottle should look. Now take your fan and carefully remove the front guard. Then also remove the blades. And let's position the bottles at the back of the fan. For this, let's use plastic ties. After securing them well, just give it a little trim. Next, go ahead and reassemble your fan. And our tip is almost ready. All you need to do now is fill the bottles with ice. Add ice cubes up to the height of the holes. That's why it's important to leave enough room. Now all you gotta do is turn on the fan, cool down and enjoy. The fan will pull the air through the ice, making the wind refreshing and more pleasant to you. Now you don't need an expensive air conditioning or even ceiling fans. This tip is definitely gonna help you. As soon as you turn on the fan, you'll feel the ice cold, refreshing wind coming out of it. This is a quick, easy and also cheap way to cool off on hot days. And best of all, it doesn't change anything on your energy bill. And when the ice melts, just open the lid and remove the water without a mess. And whenever you want to use it, just add some more ice. Another great tip is to make ice with cotton. This way it's gonna last much longer. I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to try this at home, you're gonna love the results. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.